Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Hey, do me a favor. Put your safety glasses on.
Making drawers for the cabinet. Making a mess. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all of them. Which goes.
It's okay, they got me ready to do it.
But so that's gonna be down here. So here.
Nice. Woo! One done.
3 to go.
You put it on there? Yep. Oh no, she won't like that. It's gonna go back that way.
Here we go. Drawers. Put the drawers in.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I just keep coming back all the way. Should go back further. Come on, get it. Hey.
Yeah, I was seeing that.
Hey Cheyenne, meet everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Save my poster.
Nice job. Nice job, everybody. Back at it again this morning.
Good morning. Another day on the bus. Today we're gonna do the bed. Work on the bed. So that's what our plan is today.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Oh, no, we're good. I messed absolutely nothing up. We're fine.
If I need to access that door down there, to the fuel system. So
I need to open
I need to move the drawer and I need to up that so I can get right in there and do it. So this one's going to be hinged and that one's going to be hinged.
Okay.
We're not going to use it other than if I need to have access to that.
I see.
And then the drawer, you're just going to have pull out drawers.
Okay. And you'll still have access under here. Even though this is a drawer, this will still be accessible because the box is up here.
Correct.
So we can put like
Everything down
umbrellas
below,
or
everything
phone.
down below is the way it is right now. You can put slide shit, do whatever.
Okay. I think that's the plan. And you put a rod down the middle, right? And then this one would be hinged right here so the top comes up and goes down, right? And yours will lift that way. This is going to have its own hinge that will lift that way.
That is correct.
And the box comes down to here and stops, which means we have storage under there, right?
Correct.
I like it. And this comes all the way out to
They
here.
cut that off.
This comes all the way out to here.
The mattress and the top.
Right. Okay. I think it's a plan, Stan.
Okay.
Do you need to measure her right now?
No, well, I have to take some measurements, yeah.
Okay, cool. I think we have a plan. More wood. You want some help?
No, just getting it perfect, baby. I know how you like it perfect.
Mm-hmm. We'll try it. First thing she does is get glue on the top of the dome. Hey, that's step one, of course, right?
Of course.
And bonk the ceiling.
Okay, so we have, this is going to be the bed base. So this piece here will hinge over there and lift up so that we have access under there for storage. This piece will be solid because we're going to slide the under bed storage under there and under here. And this piece we're hinging here so you can have your tilt bed that'll go up like this.
What are you doing?
Putting hinges on your door.
On my door? That don't look like a door.
It's gonna be a door.
Yay! Alright, there's the tilt bed.
Nice.
Ta-da! She can watch TV like this. Like this. Go like this. Okay.
You're not supposed to be sitting in my chair. The big bear's not allowed to sit in my chair.
If it'll work with me, it'll work with you. That's that.
Okay, there's all the way down. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. It's slower.
Well, I wonder why. It's got lead on it.
Put your head
Of course,
down.
you got a mattress too, so you'll be like up that far.
Mm. Uh-oh, as far as it goes.
That's it.
Apparently. Battery ran out of juice.
And that's as far as it goes, baby. A lot better than getting out of bed.
Yeah, it is.
It's free.
And it was adapted. It was recycle, renew, and reuse, right?
That's right. Tell you what we got here. Someone gave us a bed, a raise and lift bed for free. We're getting rid of it. And we were planning on using a stick, but when we got this, I said, well, I can make this work. So we cut it up and put it on here. Works wonderful. Now she doesn't have to get up to adjust the bed. Yay! Gold star for me.
Gold star for you. So that's it for the dresser and the bed. Thanks for following along. Make sure you click that subscribe and the like button.
And don't forget about that notification bell button.
I will see you on the next video.
Oops.
Don't forget to hit that subscription button and like button and notification bell and whatever else you gotta do. Give away your kids and family and third youngins and whatever. A couple of your cousins.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. But we just love that you're here.
I wound him a little too tight this time.
And
Don't forget about the notification button and the red button and take the blue pill.
I will see you in the next video.